Recently, a lot of sellers have been asking me, should I remodel or make repairs before listing my home? The short answer is yes. While we're still in a seller's market, the truth is there aren't as many buyers as there were during the peak a few years ago. The good news is that buyers still looking to purchase a home in this environment are very serious about moving. However, due to higher interest rates and home prices, your property needs to be in great condition to stand out. That's why today I'm sharing 3 things you can do to get your home in perfect market condition before selling. Number one, have a pre-listing meeting. Meet with a real estate expert before you list to go over which repairs are really worth it. Not every renovation or repair is worth your hard-earned money, so our advice is to only invest in repairs that will increase your home's value and net you a higher return on your investment. It's absolutely worth it to pay for a pre-inspection before you list. This way you can find out exactly what might be wrong with your property that could turn buyers away and get those things fixed before you hit the open market. Number two, choose between cosmetic and maintenance repairs. Most repairs fall into 2 categories, cosmetic and deferred maintenance. Cosmetic repairs are usually optional and won't be a sticking point in negotiations. However, they can net you as much as a 3-to-1 return on your investment. Deferred maintenance repairs take longer and sometimes require a larger investment and don't necessarily pay an ROI, but they need to be addressed if you want good offers from buyers. A good strategy likely involves doing some of each, so work with your real estate expert to find a balance that fits your needs and your budget. Number three, the right renovations expand your buyer pool. The condition of your home is the most important factor you can control when selling because it expands your buyer pool. In today's market, there are fewer buyers because of these high interest rates and high home prices. However, you can still attract a lot of demand with a property in great condition. If you do the proper renovations, you'll have more offers coming in from well-qualified buyers. A good real estate expert will also have a comprehensive marketing strategy that can create a bidding war, helping you drive up your final sale price. Now, I always recommend sellers do repairs before listing, but it's more important in this market than it ever has been before. If you're wondering which renovations are worth doing or want to discuss a pre-listing strategy, just give me a call or request a copy of our home renovation guide, which outlines the top 5 home improvements that will give you the best return on your investment. I'd love to hear from you. So until we talk again, this is Brett Jennings saying we'll be right here, ready to help you create a better life through real estate.